कि उसमें फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कुछ लोग बोल नहीं रहे तो सालों में सीजे है ना, तो उन्होंने एक बात बोली थी कि those who have bones in mouth they don't speak. जिन कुत्तों के मुंह में हड्डी है वो बोल नहीं पाते। माफ कीजिएगा गणेश जी, आपके प्रति पूरा सम्मान देते हुए मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, इस वक्त वो कौन कुत्ते हैं जिनके मुंह में हड्डी है और वो बोल नहीं पाते?
One actor questioned the silence, another actor hit back. And now Kangana Ranaut has entered the row with a sharp attack on Naseeruddin Shah. That's right, calling the veteran actor a fox, Kangana has escalated the ongoing debate over celebrity silence around the Jharkhand student protests. And this latest clash began with Piyush Mishra questioning Shah's earlier remarks. Let's rewind a bit to break this controversy down. If you recall, Piyush Mishra recently joined the protesting students in Ranchi. While speaking alongside the aspirants, Mishra questioned Naseeruddin Shah's comments about celebrities remaining silent during the CAJP protests. To give you all context, Shah had earlier used a dog with a bone in its mouth analogy while talking about celebrities who were not speaking up during that agitation. And yes, Mishra then turned that analogy back on Shah. While surrounded by protesting students in Jharkhand, he questioned who exactly those dogs with bones in their mouths were now and why they were silent while students were protesting over alleged recruitment examination irregularities.
इसमें बात बोली थी नसीर साहब ने कि उसमें फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कुछ लोग बोल नहीं रहे तो सालों में सीजे है ना, तो उन्होंने एक बात बोली थी कि those who have bones in mouth they don't speak. जिन कुत्तों के मुंह में हड्डी है वो बोल नहीं पाते। माफ कीजिएगा गणेश जी, आपके प्रति पूरा सम्मान देते हुए मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, इस वक्त वो कौन कुत्ते हैं जिनके मुंह में हड्डी है और वो बोल नहीं पाते?
His comments soon became part of the wider debate over which celebrities are speaking up and which ones aren't. And that's when Kangana Ranaut stepped in. She shared a report featuring Piyush Mishra's remarks on Instagram and launched a personal attack on Naseeruddin Shah. Kangana contrasted her own political stance with Shah's, accusing him of eating the country's bread while fighting for a neighboring country. She then said she would rather be a dog than a fox like Naseeruddin Shah. Kangana's attack also comes against the backdrop of her earlier criticism of the Gen Z-led CAJP protests. She had repeatedly questioned the movement, particularly over videos in which some protesters allegedly used abusive language against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Shah, meanwhile, had questioned the silence of several A-list celebrities during those protests. And now that old disagreement has resurfaced through the Jharkhand student movement. But beyond the actor versus actor exchange, the original issue remains the students' fight in Jharkhand. The protesters are raising allegations of irregularities in recruitment examinations conducted by the JPSC and JSSC. Their demands include the cancellation of the 14th JPSC examination and an independent probe into the alleged irregularities. They are seeking either a CBI investigation or an inquiry by a panel of retired High Court judges. The agitation has now entered its third week. Several aspirants have also undertaken hunger strikes, including Jharkhand Loktantrik Krantikari Morcha leader Devendra Nath Mahato, who has continued his protest despite being hospitalized. Multiple rounds of talks between the protesters and the Jharkhand government have failed to resolve the deadlock so far. The government has assured students that their concerns will be examined, while Chief Minister Hemant Soren has stressed dialogue and transparency. Meanwhile, on August 10, tear gas, lathi charge and water cannons were used by the Jharkhand police to disperse the protesters. So what began as a student movement over recruitment examinations has now opened up another Bollywood battle. Piyush Mishra questioned Naseeruddin Shah, Kangana Ranaut responded with a sharp personal attack, and while the actors continue trading words, the students in Jharkhand are still waiting for answers on the demands that brought them to the streets. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.